All right, guys, we are walking around Josie for this early morning. I think it's like 6:30. So we're just walking around, chilling, talking. Enjoy the views. You can talk freely. Yeah, you good.
I feel like such a tourist today. Because usually it's like you're literally rushing to get to where you need to get. But this part is cool.
Yeah, see, like, this is my favorite spot over here. Cause like I keep telling people, I'm like, yo, come out here and just chill, man. Don't rush through Joburg. Damn, it's cold today.
Oh, they keep including banks here. It looks like they just a long time. I was scared.
I don't know what they doing, man.
Probably maintaining these buildings are very old.
Yeah.
Super old.
Because they have a flat back here on Commissioner. Man, I don't know. I think when I come back to Joburg, I'm going to go back to that flat because it was nice. What?
I need the battery. I think we're going to go on Joburg. And garage.
Hold up. You want to go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go to Bank City.
I think I saw restaurants that side.
Yeah. You can't really call them restaurants, though. You'll see, man. This shit hardly ever open, yo.
Is it?
Man.
But also because, you know, people were working from home and stuff, so the traffic from around here kind of...
The problem here, they don't realize, nobody realizes people live here.
Yeah.
So, like, a restaurant like this, and you see how far my flat is, they should be open to 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers close at like 6.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's time to go to a warmer place, yo. I can already feel winter coming, shit.
Joburg gets extremely cold. I have a theory about how it gets so cold.
Well, I learned the hard way last year. And trust me, I ain't falling for that again. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a shot of Bank City. Just show you what it's looking like. They finished with this part.
It looks like it looks different.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
Hey, how's it going, boss? They're doing a good job. Like they're doing a great job with certain areas.
Yeah.
And then they just say fuck everything else.
Yeah, but that's part of the debate of rejuvenation, the positive effects and negative effects of it. It's almost like they're redesigning separation, like the whole distinction between rich and poor, because literally just next door is completely different, you know?
But even Maboneng, and then you got Jeps where there's nothing going on.
Sign. I knew there'd be something.
Oops, sorry.
That way.
So like you got restaurants down here, You got 101 in Fraser, chips, Afro chicken. Oh, damn, did the coffee place close?
I have a suspicion things are gonna open up because they're probably
Yeah. Because I think everything should open around 7 or 8.
Oh, yeah, and it's,
Yeah. You know, y'all be on color people time. Yeah. I thought it was bad in the U.S. I was like, shit. These motherfuckers on a whole nother level. You want to throw that in this bag so you don't have to hold it? Oh, okay.
Once we go to the hood, maybe.
Yeah. Which one?
Toilet side.
We can walk back to my flat if you want. Because there's yeah. I don't know, I ever think about public restrooms.
Is it me, but it's like, yo, you know? Also, because I'm so used to a certain routine. In the morning, I have so much liquid. I have a gut detox, I had water, I had shake.
What time you get up?
I'm gonna get up at 5.
Oh, okay.
But I take time to wake up.
Well, I don't know if I text you too early. I was like, let me just see.
I usually wake up, even if my alarm goes off at 4, just so I'm aware that I'm about to get up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because see, I was up at 2, but load shedding hit, so I couldn't do what I needed to do. And I was like, I'll just lay here, shit. Damn, I gotta buy some
other
shoes.
girls on her, like, she wakes up at 3, and I'm like, what are you doing at 3 a.m.?
It's peaceful, yo.
What are you doing?
It's peaceful, man. And then, like, you can just get so much done.
Well, that is true. That's true. That's true. Because I remember before I had the 5 a.m. meetings, I used to gym at 5 a.m.
Yeah.
And I'd be able to do so much in the morning. By the time I got to work, literally I was done with a lot of things. I started doing meetings. 3 a.m. guys.
And them, they have nothing that's vegan friendly. That's a damn shame.
Yeah, because people don't know, like...
It's an Indian restaurant.
But they target us probably not. Because, I mean, I have Indian people when I say I'm vegan, they go, oh my God. And I'm like, oh. You guys are the originals. What do you mean?
Yeah, they don't.
Yeah, things are weird.
See, that's one thing you will like when you go to London. Because if you live in an Indian neighborhood, yo, the food is delicious.
Yeah, I like Indian food. Indian food slaps. When cutting and stuff, I think in my personal house, because I like spicy food. Like, oh my God. If there's an option of hot or hot, I'll probably take hot.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
What's it? We'll do a tour. I know some of the buildings.
You good?
This building
Yeah.
used to be, you know, the stars in newspaper publications.
Uh-huh.
So they show the offices here. And then, so a lot of the newspapers actually were in this area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Probably like down the road. Some of them have kept big signs, but also inside the store they have like mini publications also.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the way South African media is divided, the store will have a newspaper for like a target audience, if that makes sense, and then for a second target audience. That would be great.
Yeah, right here. Let's try.
I like dope entrances. Like I remember going to Spain City and I was like, you know what? This entrance is I've arrived home. the grand entrance.
I fucking love Joburg, man.
Yeah. This is cool.
Because even there, I'm like, yo, they could put a restaurant right there.
Yeah, but NYDA is there. Black people who have business ideas for they rejected everything.
Really?
Because the people who run these who sit in specific positions, they're not entrepreneurs.
Oh.
They're administrators.
Then it's just right there to the right. You taking your bag with you?
Yeah.
So here's the get up for the day. It is actually cold out here.
Building is dope.
Need some?
I think I'd walk all the way down here just for the bathroom. It's so cool. Osmic never lives here. There's a huge hip hop festival that happens every April. Go back to the city. It happens in Newtown. Yeah.
I saw it from my flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the office. Yeah.
I think they have, what is it, next month they have the Rand Expo out in Soweto, I think. So I'm going to end up going there, check it out.
I haven't seen them in a while though, because while I was doing my internship there, which is I think the purpose of an internship, I got to see just how much work people do, like, you know, what it takes
Yeah.
to get stuff done. Because literally, while I was doing my internship, that's when I was applying to start university. So I literally just like moved from Joburg to Pretoria.
We'll go this way. Yeah, it's Friday. You know somebody got to be out complaining.
Well, so there's a national shutdown on Monday.
Oh, okay. Appreciate you.
We have plans for Monday. Transport, like, probably there might be disruptions, traffic, all of that.
Oh, Monday the 20th?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I appreciate you for letting me know. I need to cancel my haircut appointment.
Where were you going to go?
To Eastgate?
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Especially because you got to go through town.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't want the hospital to get into an uproar. I ain't trying to get caught in that shit.
Basically.
So do you feel like the white people back in the day, you know, like when the black people all going to work now, you just out here exercising, chilling?
You know, that's legit. Because in my mind, actually, I'm literally thinking about I've never walked at this place in town. Ever.
It's fucking beautiful over here, man.
You know?
Because everybody like, oh, why you live over there? I'm like, dude, it's fucking beautiful here.
Town is dope, you know?
Like, look at this view. And those are flats right there. That building is flats. So up there on the top, that's a penthouse apartment. Yeah. Most of these buildings are flats now.
Oh, because I remember governments had a thing in this whole buildings. Oh, that's what they meant.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. People live all down here.
Oh, even now I remember that had was a yeah. Oh yeah. Because the library's here. So what they doing to the library now?
I don't know, man.
I mean, everything is just changing.
They've been.
I lived there with her, yeah. I remember.
What's that?
A friend of mine.
Oh,
I
okay.
remember walking up the road from this building a while back. A friend of mine from Mabone.
Like I even tell people, I'm like, yo, this area is safe, man.
We used to skate. I don't skate my friends. I used to just be out here.
Skateboard or
Yeah.
roller skates?
Skateboard. We don't do roller skates. It's only the USA. We just like.
Colombians do it. They do it in Latin America.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I thought I would see it here.
We can chill here and then I can smell.
Yeah, chill it. Oh, I came up right here. Ain't nobody gonna say shit.
I don't know. I think so.
Trust me, no one say shit to me out here.
For you, yes, that's different.
They ain't gonna say shit to whoever with me.
No, they won't see it. It's just that perspective that it's just a habit.
I don't mean this in a bad way, but these same niggas out here. Oops, shit, I didn't mean to say that on camera. Let me cut this off so I can speak freely.